How to clean a concrete bird bath. A common recipe for bird bath cleaning is 1 part bleach to 10 parts water, yet there are effective environmentally friendly alternatives. The right bird bath location and a routine for regular maintenance makes cleaning the easily stained concrete less of a chore. A neglected bird bath can harm birds by spreading disease. Keep 3 basic household products on hand for bird-safe concrete bird bath care that's also friendlier to the environment. Things you will need: stiff bristled scrub brush with a handle, mild soap, such as Castile soap or environmentally friendly dish soap, white vinegar, wire brush, borax, garden hose. Step 1. Empty the bird bath once a week and scrub the inside surface with a stiff bristled brush and mild soap. This keeps the concrete clean if the bath is well maintained with daily water changes. Step 2. Pour at least 1 cup of undiluted white vinegar into the bird bath once or twice a month for algae removal if buildup occurs. Add more vinegar if needed to cover the bath's bottom. Clean the concrete with vinegar more often in the summer, if necessary. Step 3. Scrub the concrete with a wire brush in 2 or more directions to loosen algae, mildew and soiling. Rinse the bird bath thoroughly with a hose. Step 4. Mix 1/4 cup of borax in 2 cups of hot water, stirring with a spoon. Pour the mixture into the bird bath. Borax kills mold and mildew and helps remove stubborn stains. Scrub the mixture into the concrete with a wire brush. Step 5. Rinse the bird bath at least twice to remove all the residue. Refill it. Limit the water depth to 2 to 3 inches. Birds prefer low water and will avoid a bird bath when the water is too deep.